Hello, welcome to Dr. Lumingade's YouTube channel. In this video today, I want to talk to you about how to make money from Soursop, Soursop, step-by-step guide for Nigerians. So how do you make money from Soursop? This is a step-by-step guide for Nigeria. Soursop, popularly called Soursop in Nigeria, is fast becoming one of the most profitable agribusiness opportunities in the country, with rising demand for its fruit juice, its juice and medicinal leaves, locally and internationally. Smart entrepreneurs are now turning soursop into a serious income stream. For those who don't know how soursop seed look like, this is the seed of soursop that I'm holding here, right here in my hand. This is how the seed look like. Let me get more seed because I am planning to plant this in a nursery today. So this is how the seed of soursop look like. I just took the fruit and this is the seed of the soursop. I just finished taking the fruit of the soursop. So this is how the seed look like. So I'm going to plant it. And I'm planting the seed of soursop. We are told by scientists and people who have planted it, who are into the farming already. They said all you need to do, you don't need to dry it for too long. After you have eaten it, don't dry it for too long. If you dry it for too long, the time it takes to germinate is going to be very long. So what you need to do is just as it is now. I took this 2 days ago. So I was trying to dry it for longer. But I've just read that you don't need to try it for longer. 24 hours, keeping it for 24 hours indoor is enough. After that, soak it in water for another 24 hours. After that, then plant it in a nursery. And it will take about 3 to 4 weeks before it starts germinating. Usually maize or beans or thereabout take 3 to 4 days to start germinating, but this one takes 3 to 4 weeks before it starts germinating, or even more, or even up to 2 months, according to what I read. So after you start germinating, then you can now transplant it to the field where you want to put it, and you have to be watering it every 2 days so that it will grow very well. Now let's go on to how to make money from soursop, step-by-step guide for Nigerians. Now, Nigeria's tropical climate makes it highly suitable for soursop farming, and the fruit is now gaining attention in global markets due to its health benefits and versatility. In this guide, in this tutorial, you will learn step by step how to make money from soursop in Nigeria, whether you want to farm, you want to process it, or you want to trade it. Now, why soursop is a profitable business in Nigeria? Why is it a profitable business in Nigeria? Number one reason why soursop is a profitable business in Nigeria and why this business works is, before starting, it is important to understand why this business works. Number one, why it works is because of its high demand locally and internationally. There's high demand for soursop locally and internationally. Then each tree can produce 50 to 100 fruits annually. Just one tree can produce 50 to 100 fruits annually, and the tree is not so big like that, like mango tree that will getting big and take all the space. No, it just grows minimally. Then a single fruit can sell between 1,500 and 2,500. The fruit I bought from a wholesale market, from a farmer's market in Ilorin, I bought 2 of the fruits for 2,000. That means each one is 1,000. If I'm going to buy each one in the place close to where I live in the town, I'm going to buy each one nothing less than 2,500. So those 2 I bought may be up to 5,000 naira, which I bought in the farmer's market. In the farmer's market, the cheapest one market around, at 1,000 each. So you can be looking at a single fruit can sell between 1,500 and 2,500 and even 3,500, depending on how the size is. In fact, when I went to the market, I picked 2. I asked her, she said, okay, I should bring 2,000 naira last. After we have priced it, then I drop it, I pick a bigger one. The woman, in fact, she spoke. I have to placate her and ask her that no, I'm not fighting with her because I picked a bigger one. With that bigger one, the price was more than the small one I picked initially. The one I picked initially was not a really small one, but I picked a bigger one. So the woman was saying I will add money to it. 1 acre can generate millions of naira for you every year. Multiple income streams. You can make income from the fruit, from the juice, from the tea, from the leaves, and you can even export. Now, here is a step-by-step guide to making money from soursop. Step 1, choose your business model. You need to choose your business model. You don't have to farm only. There are 4 major ways to make money, and then you can even innovate and get more ways. Well, one way you can make money from soursop is soursop farming. You can go into the farming, get a plot of land or half plot of land or a piece of land. Piece of land can be quarter of a plot of land or even less than quarter of a plot of land, and then get it, buy it, fence it, and then plant soursop on it. Then you can be selling the fruits. When you sell the fruits, you make money. You can be processing into products like juice, tea, oil, and then you can export. You can go into the export of Soursop and all the components of Soursop. The best strategy is to combine farming and processing for higher profit. Now, let's look at step number 2. Get land for farming. This is an option. It's optional. You can start with half plot, 1 plot, or 1 acre. Soursop grows well in southern and middle belt Nigeria. Ensure good drainage, fertile soil, access to water. Example, 1 acre can accommodate about 80 to 90 trees of the Soursop. Step number 3, buy quality seedlings. Cost per seedling is around 3,000 to 3,500, or get from a good fruit you buy and eat. Like this one that I bought this Soursop and I'm eating it, and then this is the seed from the Soursop which I've already eaten. So these are the seeds. This is the seed. It just look very, very tiny seeds like that of Soursop. So you get the seed and then you can plant the seed directly after you process it, and then you can do that. Now you have to choose hybrid or grafted seedlings. This yields faster. You have to choose disease-resistant varieties also. Step number 4 is planting and maintenance. In planting, you have to space it 4 to 5 meters apart. Best time for planting planting any tree is usually rainy season. So before the rains come, as the rain is approaching, now that we are in the month of February, is running up, and we have had maybe 2 rains in Ilorin, in Kwara State already. So what you do, it is a good time to plant it in seedling and be watering it. Then when the rain starts properly in March, April, and then the seedling will have germinated, then you can transfer it to the field where you want to plant it. Now, the maintenance of this Soursop tree, you water regularly, you apply organic manure, then you control pests. Use neem oil or approved chemicals to control pests. Then you also have to control weeds. If you don't control weeds, they'll be competing for nutrients from the soil with the Soursop, and you want the Soursop to grow very fast and very well, so you have to weed it regularly. Step number 5 is harvesting. First harvest 3 to 5 years after planting. You can harvest in 3 years, can harvest in 4 years, can harvest in 5 years, depending on how you the cultural practices and the maintenance that you do. Then the mature tree yield 50 to 70 fruits yearly. This is averagely. It can yield more and it can yield less depending on how the trees are well taken care of. You have to harvest the fruit when it is still firm. Not, you don't allow it to overripe on the tree. Well, the one I bought, it was still very firm, and then I was looking at it that it may take up to 1 week. But when I put it at home and put it somewhere, kept it about the 3rd day after, even the 2nd day, I saw that it has the 2nd day, 24 hours and 48 hours later, it had become very soft and was suitable for eating. So now these are step number 6 is start selling. Multiple income streams. So you have planted, now you're also into the selling. So when you start selling, you sell fresh fruits, you sell in local markets, you sell in supermarkets also, then you sell to individuals who know about you. Then you have a roadside where you sell. Example, 1 tree of Soursop with 50 fruits, and you're selling for 1.5, that's going to give you 75,000 naira in a year. If you have 5 trees, that is 50 fruits times 1,500 times 5 trees, that's going to give you 375,000 naira. I used to tell people that if you have a piece of land, it is not compulsory you put on it. You can farm on it, and the money you're going to make from the farming is going to be more than what you make from the rent. And remember, you're going to spend a lot of money in putting up the structure. Usually, in fact, in some cases, some people have been on the structure for 10 years. But if you have planted Soursop on that piece of land, it will have been giving you money which you'll be using to raise the building to some extent. Then 10 trees is going to give you 750 naira per year, while the 50 fruits times 1,500 times 10. Then 80 trees, where if you have 80 trees on an acre of land, that is going to give you 6 million naira if you are selling each one at 1,500, which is even minimum price. You're going to sell some at more than that. Now, number 2 here is produce Soursop juice. You can produce Soursop juice. This is very high demand in Nigeria. Sell to restaurants, sell to fitness centers, sell to online customers. Once you customize it and it's good and everything is fine with it, have the necessary approval from NAFDAC and other regulatory agencies about food in Nigeria, you are good to go. Number 3 way to sell is to sell Soursop leaves. This is very profitable. Some people go and they cut it, but some people don't have where they can cut the leaves from. So you can begin to sell Soursop leaves, and it is used for herbal tea. It is used for medicinal products, and many people ignore this, but it is a hidden gold mine. It is even people who have cancerous cells, they say they should be taking boiling soursop leaf and taking it. You don't have to wait until you have any type of cancer. You can start taking the soursop leaf, the water, even when you don't have any cancer. It contains a lot of antioxidants which can help to nourish your body. Just like onions, you can eat onions raw. You can take it with rice and other things. Just cut it like salad, and then you can take it. It also contains antioxidant. Now, exporting can multiply your income. If you export, there is strong international demand for soursop in USA, UK, Canada, China, India, and many other places. Fresh fruits and processed products sell at premium prices. So let's look at step number 7, add value for higher profit. Instead of selling raw fruit, process into soursop juice, soursop powder, soursop tea, frozen pulp, and then you see processed products sell far much higher. They sell for far much higher prices. You know, when you have crude oil may be selling for Soursop is $8 per barrel, but the processed oil per barrel may be selling for times 10 of that, $680 per barrel or even more. So you can see processing helps to make things to be the way better than the way it was before. Now, these challenges you must avoid. Every business has its own challenges. You have to be realistic. Don't just go into the business now and say, I just still does, everything's going to be fine. Everything, you have to prepare also for the worst, because everything may not be fine as expected. So be realistic. Every business has risks. Take 3 to 5 years to start yielding. So you have to wait for 3 to 5 years before you start yielding. So you cannot wait that only soursop you wait on. You have to be doing other things you have been doing before you heard about this video. So don't go and resign your work now and say you are doing soursop. Go and continue your work. Plan the soursop. When soursop start coming, it will be a better another source of income. Then you continue like that. Then if you see that, oh, this thing is something I can stay with and diversify, then you can move on with that. Then the fruit of soursop also spoil quickly. I just told you I bought one very firm from the market. In the next 2 days, it has become soft and ready to eat. If I leave it for another 2 days, it will become softer and softer. So the fruit spoil quickly. That is the reason why you need to process it. Then pest and disease issue. Pest and disease, or just like human being like the soap of the Soursop, pests also like it. They will come, they want to eat out of it also. So that is another one. Then diseases also are there. Then it requires proper marketing. You have to tell people, you don't have to be shy. You may need to come online, you may need to go to market, go around shop. It's just for the start, when you harvest, or even before you harvest, tell them that, wow, I have soursop. When the flowers start coming, I will be selling to you. If it's the least you want to sell, let people know that you're selling. Go and meet people that you think they are selling things and they can be buying from you. Now, you have to focus on processing and on ready buyers. These are pro tips for success. Start small and scale gradually. So don't go and start with acres and acres and hectares of land. Start maybe with half a plot of land. Start maybe with a garden, with your garden in your home. Maybe you have some space like half a plot. Plant like 3 or 4 in that place in different locations, and then you can see how it goes. Then you can now increase it later. Then join farmer cooperatives. Then partner with juice companies. Then use social media to market. Then don't ignore the leaves. The leaves give you extra income. And if you have soursop, you want me to help you to talk to people on this my platform so that they can be directed to come and buy from you, let me know, and I will make a video mentioning you so that they can call you and talk to you. In conclusion, soursop business is one of the most underrated money-making opportunities in Nigeria today. With proper planning, patience, and smart marketing, you can build a multi-million naira agribusiness and quietly from it. If you want faster results, combine farming plus processing and marketing. That is where the real money is. So this is all you need to know about how to make money from soursop. It is not all you need to know. This is just like an introductory video. And I'm going to be making more videos about soursop, the health benefit, and many more. So please stay in touch and keep in touch until I come your way in the next one. My name again is Dr. Olubengade, and on this channel I bring you information on how to make money both online and offline. And I make a boast to say that if you keep coming on this channel for 6 months and watch one video and you take action on that video that you watch, I make a boast that you are going to become better. If you don't become better after watching my video for 6 months and you are taking action on my videos and you don't get better about your life, about everything, then you should stop coming to this channel. But I am sure if you take heed to what I'm saying and you take action, because action takers are favored, by the goddess of good luck. And I'm very sure you are going to take action. Until I come your way in the next one, please keep coming back to this channel. Keep coming back to this video. I've made many videos talking about agriculture, cassava, cashew, and many more. And many people have started this business through my input. So this is the time for soursop and other economic trees, economic crops which can plant around the house and make money. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.